Hey friends, my name is Vivek Rajput and you are watching Every Knowledge Birthday. Today I will tell you how to use Proteus in your PC or in your laptop. So to begin with, I will show you how to run a program or how to run a project in a Proteus. If you are electronics and communication engineering, then it is very necessary to learn this type of software because this is the only one software that allow you to run a program or to run a project on software. So let's start with the topic. So open the Proteus, or if you don't have the Proteus, download it from the internet. This is the main window of Proteus. Here you can see this is the component mode, and these are some modes. I will tell you how to select the component. You have to go on the component mode to select a component which you want to. So I already selected some component and I will show how you can select the component. Go to the P, here this is the P, and select or write the keyword that you want to select, like Arduino. If you want to select the Arduino, then you have to write Arduino. If there is not present Arduino in your program or in your software, then you can download the library file from the internet and put it in the library in the C disk of your computer or PC. Here you can see there are different type of Arduino, that which type of Arduino you are using, Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega. I am using Arduino Uno, then so I will select the Arduino Uno, as I already selected the Arduino Uno, so I will not select it now. And then after you can select LED. LED, you can see there are different type of LED diode. So we want LED animated. So LED animated. So that animated, why? Because we have to look, we have to watch on the screen that the LED is lightning or not. So I will select the LED model that is animated. Here you can see that LED blue, active, these are the library files, and you can select one of these. This is blue, this is green, any one of them. And if you want to select any resistor, capacitor, all the components are present. If you want to select the resistor, then whether you can select 220 ohm resistor, then you can select write the keyword of 220 ohm, and you can see there are different type of resistor like 220 ohm, 1/16 watt, 5%. This is the resistors category. You can select one of them. It doesn't matter that which the power or something like that. So you can select these, any one of them resistor, and then after close it or okay it after selecting the. I will show you how to run a program in the Proteus. Here you can see I have selected Arduino. This is the Arduino. This is the resistor of 220 ohm, and this is the LED, and this is the ground. Ground you can place by clicking right click. Here you will go to place and then terminal. Terminal you can select the power or ground or chassis or output input. These are some, or bus. You can select any of one of them. So I have selected the ground like this. This is the ground, or you can select the input like this, power like this. This is the power and this is the ground. So I will not use it here as I already used it in my project. I will delete it from this. Okay, now I will show you how this is going to be run on your Proteus. After making the connections of all the components, you have to go on play button. Push that play button and sorry, before pushing this button, you have to load the program in the Arduino. If your program is ready in the Arduino software like this, I have taken the examples, one of the example, like very simple example, that is blinking of LED. This is the example, and here you can see the LED is connected to pin 13, and this is the program. You have to run this, verify this program, then after the binary file or hex file is generated, which goes in some folder. You can see the folder, like here in the sketch you can see show sketch folder. Here you can see this is the Arduino example basics and then blink. This is the hex file. After you verify, like after export compiled binary, sorry, this is, here you can see that this is the example. After saving this, because this is the inbuilt program, so you have to save this first by blink 1, save it, then after verify it. This is the sketch is compiling. This is done compiling. Then after you can see the hex file of show in folder like this. Sorry, you can see the hex file after done compiling, and then after show sketch folder. This is the hex file generated, and you have to load this hex file in your Arduino by double clicking this folder and going to the folder button, then this is the blink one. I have saved this, and then after selecting the hex file, then open, then OK. After loading this program, you are ready to run this program on your Proteus by clicking the play button like this. As you can see, the LED is burning or lightning after 1 second. As the delay is of 1 second, the LED is burning and switching off and on after 1 second. The difference of on and off is 1 second. Here you can see the program has run successfully, and you can run any of the program related to the electronics, because this is related to this software is related totally to the electronics. I will stop this program, and you can also select, like if you are using the GSM, then you can select the virtual terminal. Virtual terminal is used like this. Virtual terminal is used if you don't have the screen. So what is the status, like this device is giving some information, then you can connect the receiver to the transmitter and the transmitter to the receiver, and it will show you what kind of input and output it is giving, this device is giving out. So this is the virtual terminal. You can use it in your project. So this is some basic from where you can start your project, and you can start building your project on your software. And this Proteus 8 Professional is free from internet. You can download it from a website known as website named by, you can see this on the internet, Get in PC. The website name is getintopc.com. Getintopc.com. From this website you can download any of the software, and from this website you can download Proteus 8 Professional. Then after installing the Proteus 8 Professional, you can start your project. Thank you for watching this video.